Hey guys, Captain Keith here. This is the iconic Sea Ray 21 SPX. I've been delivering boats here for MarineMax for 22 years. I can't tell you how many of these boats, whether it's the 19, the 21, the 23, the whole SPX series that I've delivered. This is an ideal boat for running around the intercoastal waterway. Your inland lakes, the rivers, things like that. You know, you run it out in the Gulf. An ideal family boat for that. I've got Patrick with me here today. How many of these we've done?
You know what? This is really the stepping stone for boating for most families.
Right.
You know, this is still the kind of boat where you can get, they're unsure how much they're going to use it. They're unsure where they're going to store it. You have a swing tongue trailer, so it's very easy to fit on the side of a house, fit, you know, into a garage, and still comfortably trailer it without having to jump into a much larger boat. We've seen a lot of families jump into a boat like this and keep it for 3 to 4 years and then maybe upgrade to a larger boat. I've also had customers that get this boat after a handful of years say, it's awesome, it's great, we just want a newer one with newer technology. As technology keeps changing, we see that a lot. Customers are really kind of jumping in. You know, the 19's a great boat, 23's a great boat, but the 21 incorporates the best of both of them, I think.
Yeah, so on this particular boat, we've got the upgraded Mercury 200 horsepower. Great power package. But whether it's a 150, a 200, or any of their boats, the ease of flushing these out, you want to get the salt water out of them. We've talked about this before, but this cap will just pull out of here like that. You're going to unscrew this, which then you just hook your hose up to this hose bib here, turn the water on, let the water flow for 10 minutes or so. Don't start the engine, just let the water push through it. When you're done, make sure you put the cap back on so that it's not sucking air and stuff when you're running. But that's all there is to it, and that'll just pop back in there and locks back in like that.
You know, I'd like to also add in, I know there's a lot of technology on this boat, but a lot of people are kind of specific on color options. We have black motors, we have white motors. There's also a handful of colors we can do for the hull of the boat. This is also the stone sea deck that we have. It does also come in a tan color, various hull color options. We have the Sea Ray blue here. It just depends on what we want. If we want it to match our car, or some people are very specific on what color they have on their boat.
Thanks. We'll see you out on the water.